Hi friends, I'm Anna. I'm a speech language pathologist and I love to help children communicate. And then at home the parents can also mimic if they have some of these things like farm animals. And I'd like to incorporate some sign language. So animals, like your breathing, farm, like the strap on a farmer's hat or his beard, farm. And today we're gonna do the sign for moo, and the sign for sleep, and the sign for wake up, like you're surprised and you open your eyes really wide. All right, are you ready? Music, please. The cow on the farm says moo, 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 moo. The cow in the farm says moo, 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 all through the farm. The cow in the farm goes to sleep, goes to sleep, goes to sleep. The cow in the farm goes to sleep. Good night, cow. Good night, cow. Shh, 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 shh. Let's wake the cow up. Wake up, cow. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Moo. Good morning, cow. Good morning, cow. Moo. Yay! Way you can incorporate other animals and work on the sound. Quack, 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 quack. Hold the animal near your mouth. Your child can see your mouth moving, and you can make funny noises, and you can incorporate some musical instruments. You can bring a little shaker. You could make your own shaker at home from rice and a plastic bottle, and your child can at least do the tune. If he's not very verbal and they're struggling to get any words out, they could follow the rhythm. They can at least try to help you put the animal to sleep. So let's put the duck to sleep. Can you help me cover the duck? And now we're gonna tell him, shh. If you put your finger by your mouth, that draws attention, and we wanna hold the sound out. Shh. Sleep, duck. Wake up. And we want the duck to be excited. Quack, 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 quack. You want a lot of repetition of those sounds, and you just want to make it fun. You'd like to partner it with a book about animals and work on the sounds there. Meow, there's a horse, there's a duck. This is I Went Walking by Sue Williams. And if you have puppets, even better, because they're fun and fluffy, and you could hide them and put them in your bed. So this is a good way for you to start interacting with your child, and for clinicians to try to bring something fun and new and dynamic for early intervention. And then I ask parents to get some of the farm animals out ahead of time so they can show me in their bed. You can just get a piece of tissue. That could be the bed. You can get a pillow. You can get a silk scarf to be the blanket. And then they can play with their baby. They can work on doing this with their pet. So I encourage you to try this at home, try this for therapy. Let me know how it goes. You can follow me on Instagram at anaayala.slp. And I'll have a link in there of the song so you could sing it and you can learn it. Bye friends, have fun signing, singing, and play, play, play.